Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video on Conga CPQ, we talked about pricing waterfall model available in Conga CPQ, as well as we have seen list price based pricing for a particular product. Today, what we are going to see is how a one-time pricing and recurring pricing can be set up in Conga CPQ. So here is the agenda. What is one-time or recurring pricing? How to set up a use case, and we'll review the configuration as well. So, what is one time or recurring pricing? So, one time pricing means product priced at a fixed price despite multiple years of quote span. Whatever product we have defined, if the price is fixed, right, whatever term the quote is being sold for, if that term doesn't affect the product's pricing, then it means it's a one time price. Right? So, one time products don't get affected by the change of selling term or end date that's being set on the quote. So that is how one-time pricing is being defined. Now recurring pricing. So products priced at a price getting change on quote span. So let's say if a quote is for a year, then there is some price. Then if the quote is for multiple years, right, then the price gets changed and multiplies by the year or term that is being sold for. Right? So that's the recurring pricing. So recurring product gets affected by the change of selling term and end date, right? So that those are the products which are priced as recurring pricing. Now how to set up? So these are the fields which defines the setup. For one time, there is a field called price type. There's a field called price method. For recurring product or recurring pricing, there is a field called price type, uh, frequency, and price method. Now, where does these fields are available, right? Where can we find this field? So these fields are available on price list item. Okay, so in my previous video as well, we have seen we have a product and related to that we have price list item. If we create the price list item, then only we'll be able to see that particular product into catalog. Okay, that we have seen in our catalog structure as well, right? Okay. So you can refer to those videos. I have created a separate playlist as well that you can find on my playlist on my channel. So you can just watch through it. Now a use case. So Apple is selling laptops and warranty to all the customers. Laptops are sold at one of cost, so at one time price. Okay. And then warranty is sold at a recurring cost or recurring price. So changing in term and end date of quote should only affect pricing of warranty, not the laptops, because laptops are one-time charge. So now let's review the configuration. So I have a product called MacBook Pro, and with that, I have my price book entry. So I'll just go to product console, and I can see two price list item. Okay, so one that is marked as sequence one. Okay, then the price list that we have defined, that product. Now chart type is standard price. Chart type is nothing but an identifier, like which type of pricing it is, like it's a standard price. Then we talked about price type, that is one time. That means the charge will be one time, and changing term or end date would not affect the pricing of this particular product. What price? It is $800 as a price. Then price method, it is per unit. That means if we have multiple quantities of laptop, the price will be multiplied by the quantity whatever we have purchased. So if you purchase one laptop or one MacBook Pro, it would be $800. If you purchase the second one, then it would be 800 multiplied by the quantity, which is 2, then it becomes 1600. If it is flat price, then that means like whatever number of items you purchase, like whatever is the quantity, the price remains 800. So let's see first. Okay, so I'm over here on the catalog, but before that, let me show you something else as well. So I'll just open up the product again to show you the other chart tab as well. And over here we have created two chart, uh, like two price list item, right? One is for recurring, one is for one time. So this is the recurring one. Okay, and now let me show you. If I go to computers and I can see this MacBook available, I'll just add it to cart. I can see there are two price list item. One is the standard fee, which is 800 USD one time. This is the maintenance fee, which is $50, and which is per recurring one. So if you see, it is a recurring, frequency is monthly, so monthly recurring product, and it is per unit, so quantity gets multiplied. So if I come over here and I'll see the cart, right, I can see two steps. This one is the one time one, this one is the recurring one. Now I will make change over here and I'll just reprise it. Right. Since this is per unit, right, the price will get multiplied. So let me just show you how it gets multiplied. So it will take some time, and you see the price got multiplied. If it is flat price, then the price will not get multiplied. Okay. Let me just show it to you as well. Do I have started ended over here? No, I don't. So what I'll do is I'll just remove this line. Over here I have made it flat price. Okay. I'll just close the cart and let me show you started and ended. So I don't have started ended available over here. Yeah, there you go. So it is starting on 1st of July, it is ending on 30th of July in 2014, 2024. And now I'll just come over here, configure the card, and let's wait for card to be created because it will individually internally create some other steps as well. So it will take some time. I'll come over here, I'll select this, and I'll just check this checkbox and add to cart, and then I'll view the cart again. Let's wait. 800 ST, and this becomes 600 because our quote is for 12 month, right? So monthly, it is monthly, so 50 multiplied by 12, which becomes 600 US rupees, and this is 800 rupees, okay? Because it's a one time, so changing the term or anything on start date end date doesn't affect this. Now if I make it 2, it will not impact because it's a flat price, right? Previously it got changed to 1600, right? Now it won't change because it's a it's a flat price, right? So this is how you can set this up. Now on a recurring one, right? If I make it quarterly, right? And let me just save it, and I'll just remove this one and I'll refresh it. I will have to just refresh to clear the cache, right? So we have refreshed the card, and now I'm gonna add this product again, and I'll make it available on card. We'll do a view card, right? And since now we have made this quarterly, right? Whatever price is being added, it will be multiplied by 4 because quarter is for 3 months, right? And we have sold it for a year, so that means it became 15 into 4, 200 rupees. Same applies for other stuff like if you make it monthly, if you make it quarterly, half yearly, yearly. Will not go into this as of now, but this four. Right? So that is how you can make your one-time pricing and recurring pricing using Conga CPQ price list item fees. I hope you guys are learning a lot from this videos. Please like and share the content with your colleagues who want to learn Conga CPQ, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and get learning on your desktop. Thank you.